Ever wondered how businesses make strategic decisions? How they navigate the sea of data to find the golden nuggets of insight that drive their growth? Well, it's all down to a little something called business analysis. Imagine, for a moment, you're the owner of a flourishing coffee shop chain, Brewed Awakenings. Business is booming, but you know there's always room for improvement. Enter the business analyst. A business analyst is a bit like a detective. They use a range of tools and techniques to dig into your business, understand the challenges, and find ways to solve them. One of these techniques is the use of use cases. In the context of Brewed Awakenings, a use case might be something like improving customer experience. The business analyst would start by identifying the different actors in this scenario. The actors could be the baristas, the customers, the coffee machines, and even the mobile app through which customers place their orders. The analyst then maps out the interactions between these actors, identifying where things go right, where they go wrong, and where there's potential for improvement. This is the heart of the use case, a detailed, step-by-step breakdown of a process, highlighting the challenges and opportunities. In Brewed Awakenings, the use case might reveal that customers are getting frustrated with long wait times during peak hours. The business analyst would then use this insight to recommend strategies for improvement, such as hiring more baristas, investing in faster coffee machines, or improving the efficiency of the mobile app. So, what's the big deal about use cases? Well, they provide a clear, focused way to understand complex business processes. They allow businesses to spot problems and opportunities they might otherwise miss. And most importantly, they help businesses make strategic decisions that can boost their performance and their bottom line. To summarize, business analysis is all about understanding a business from the inside out, identifying challenges, and finding ways to solve them. It's a critical tool for any business looking to stay competitive in today's fast-paced, data-driven world. And use cases, as we've seen with our Brewed Awakenings example, are a powerful technique within the business analyst's toolkit. So, the next time you're sipping a latte at your favorite coffee shop, spare a thought for the business analysts, who might have helped make your experience just that little bit better. It's all in a day's work for these unsung heroes of the business world.